Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to free up storage usage, Google Photos. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first things first, you need to open your Google Photos or make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. If you see install right here, then tap on install. If you see open, then tap on open. So this is what it looks like. What you're going to do is you have to tap your profile at the top right corner, and you have to simply make sure that you have already your backup here. Once done, scroll down and tap on free up space. So here you can delete unnecessary files, delete blurry photos, duplicate screenshots, or old WhatsApp, Instagram photos. You can search the feature, type screenshots, and then to watch, delete. So deleted photos and videos go to trash and still take up storage for 30 days. And to empty, you just have to tap library trash and tap empty trash. If you're running out of Google account, you can also upgrade your plan. It's not that really expensive. So that's it. All you have to do again is go to your Google Photos, tap on your profile above, scroll down, and then look for free app storage or free app space. Click that one. Here it will show you what's taking up space, photos, videos, screenshots. You can click into categories to review and delete large or blurry files or old screenshots. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.